Opening disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Everything shown here is performed inside a controlled ethical hacking lab. Do not attempt this on systems or files without proper permission. Misuse of these skills can lead to serious legal consequences. Power comes with responsibility, so use it wisely. Imagine being able to hide a secret message inside a photo, and nobody can even tell it's there. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? Well, hackers and cybersecurity experts have been using this technique for years to protect sensitive data from prying eyes. Tool reveal and description. This method is called Steganography, and today I'll be showing you one of the most popular tools to perform it. A tool that allows you to hide text or files inside images and audio and extract them whenever you want, using nothing more than a password. In cybersecurity, this can be useful for secure communication, watermarking, digital forensics, and even penetration testing. But remember, while it's a powerful skill, it's only safe and legal in ethical hacking environments. Kali VM login. All right, let's begin. Opening up my Kali Linux virtual machine, logging in with username, Kali, password, Kali, all lowercase, case sensitive. Terminal. Now, I'll open the terminal and type sudo apt update. Enter the password Kali again, hit Y if prompted, and wait for the update process to finish. We do this step to refresh our package lists so the system knows the latest versions of every tool we install. Once it's done, I'll clear the terminal using the clear command, just to keep things neat. Install Steghide. Now I'll install the tool with sudo apt install Steghide. Hit Y if prompted and let it download. Quick reminder, Steghide is the tool we'll use to hide and extract files from images or audio using password-based encryption. Create test folder and file. Let's make a folder for testing. Opening File Manager, right-click, New Folder, let's name it Steghide. Now in the terminal I'll navigate to it, cd Steghide. I'll create a new text file called secret.txt using touch secret.txt. There it is in our file explorer. Let's open it and type hello, welcome to BlackStack. Saving it with Control S. Now to check if it's saved, I'll type cat secret.txt. Get an image. We need an image to hide our text in, so I'll download my YouTube channel's logo and save it in the same folder. To hide our file, I'll use steghide embed-cf image file name-ef secret.txt. It asks for a password. This is the key to unlock the hidden data later. Re-enter the password. Warning, if you forget this password, there is no way to recover it. Keep it safe. Delete original file. Now I'll delete the original secret.txt to prove that the data is really inside the image. To retrieve it, I'll type steghide extract -sf image file name. It asks for the password, I enter it, and the secret.txt file is back. Let's read it with cat secret.txt, and there's our original message. That's it. Now you know how to hide and extract data inside media files using Steghide. Final disclaimer, personal note, remember this is for ethical hacking labs only. Misuse of this technique can land you in serious trouble. Power comes with responsibility. Also, I was thinking of quitting YouTube because my last video didn't get many views, but today I saw it gaining reach again, so I've decided to stay. If you want this channel alive, keep supporting. Thank you guys, you're amazing. Bye-bye. Love you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BlackStack.